Let's make a KUROMI sofa. Using perler beads. No glue is needed.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started and lay all your pieces just like this so it's gonna be easier to assemble. So let's connect this using this connector piece, these two pieces to put on the side, and then insert it to this top piece for the sofa, just like so. And then at the bottom piece, yep. Now we're gonna do the side, so put your pieces like mine, so just put it one by one and you will get it super easy. So if I'm going too fast, you can feel free to pause and go at your own pace. So putting all these pieces, now I'm going to add a top layer on there. Alright, looks like we're almost done here for one side. Isn't it easy? Alright, so we're ready for the other side. So we're adding the same piece on the other side, on the left side. Hopefully you can see the way I laid the piece in. Yeah, so it's pretty easy. Alright, two more pieces. We're done on this side already. Yay! So let's add the front and the back, then we'll be done. And then the back piece and a little connector for the scope, the pink scope. Then we're done. Alright, so I hope you make this one. Tag me on Instagram. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you!